Hi beauties! Welcome to my channel, Get Up. I am so happy to be here today because I want to make adult slime. I want to make slime that's going to help you to detoxify your scalp. Why do we want to do that? Well, because the better the condition of your scalp, the better the hair growth. And I decided also to make a slime that would be good for my face and my décolleté, that would nourish and help to reduce the size of large pores. So if you guys want to hear more, if you are interested in these topics, please make sure to subscribe and hit like. Now, even if you have super thick, lustrous hair,
I envy you, by the way.
you want to adopt these habits because habits like this lead to better results as you get older. And if you're more like me, you don't have thick hair and it's not shiny. Why? Tell me why. Well, this is just a great habit to incorporate. First of all, for the scalp slime, what you're gonna need is that you're gonna need cinnamon, raw honey, and olive oil.
Before you try out anything new, please remember to do a patch test on the inside of your arm. Now, the key ingredient to your scalp slime is raw honey. You want to use raw honey because it means that it's not pasteurized, it's not heated. When it's heated, it kills all of its amazing healing properties, enzymes, and minerals. So you absolutely want to use raw honey, in my opinion, for anything and everything. Next, you use olive oil. Olive oil, just try and get the best quality that you can. Usually that's easy enough to do. Now, the next ingredient is cinnamon, which I don't know if you guys know this, but is a natural anti-inflammatory, which means that if you have any dry, itchy scalp or redness on your scalp, this is going to help to calm it down. And it also increases circulation, which can help with hair growth. Extra bonus. Make sure you use a rubber spatula because if you use a metallic spoon, everything will stick to it. And you really want to mix this until you really get a slimy, thick mixture. Once that's done, you're all set, ready to put it on your scalp.
So what you're gonna do, take some and you're just gonna gently rub into your scalp.
Now it's time for the face slime. You'll need 2 inches of aloe vera flesh and 1 egg.
Okay beauties, so as you can see, I've already put my cinnamon slime into my scalp, and right now what I did was that I wrapped it in saran wrap and I've got this fabulous look going on. Now the next thing is that we're going to make the slime for our face and our décolleté.
This is my plant Lola, and she did lose 2 arms in the making of this video. Lola, can you please forgive me?
I lost my arms.
Now you'll need a paring knife to remove the thick outer skin of the aloe vera plant and reveal its flesh.
Actually, I should do that to my kids. You know, just rub it all over my fingers and be like, oh, sorry guys. No? My kids are looking at me like, don't you dare.
Aloe vera has been used for thousands of years to treat numerous skin conditions. It moisturizes the skin and it reduces the visibility of stretch marks.
Thanks for giving me a hand. Literally.
Can't help myself. Okay, so put in the Vita mix and then add the egg and blend. The egg yolks are full of fatty acids, which help to moisturize your skin, and the egg white has albumin, which helps to tighten up the pores on your skin.
Now, I'm gonna brush this all over my face and on my décolleté. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. We're gonna let it dry, and after about 15 minutes, I'm gonna get in the shower and remove all of this stuff, okay? And now I'm ready to put, it just grosses me out, but it's good, your aloe and egg. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna just take my finger, okay? So we're just gonna put it on like so. And we're actually gonna let this dry. Now it's slimy, yes, but it's not super runny. I know it looks kind of liquidy in here, but when you put your fingers inside, okay, when you put your fingers inside, well, it's more slimy. Make sure you put it everywhere, okay? Okay, so what you want to do is that you want to build up a couple of layers of this aloe and egg slimy mask on you, and you're gonna see that it really does build up. It becomes kind of sticky, kind of like if you had Elmer's glue and you're like, you know, letting it dry on your fingers. I don't know if you guys ever did that when you were little. You know, you dip your hands in glue, wait for them to dry, and then peel it off. Kind of fun. I think that doing this as opposed to going to a spa is such a nice treat, because at the spa, you know, a lot of times the things that they put on your skin aren't really that great for you, you know, or it's just kind of feels good, but it doesn't really do anything for your skin, whereas this will, okay? And it doesn't cost much, and it's a nice way of you taking care of yourself. If you don't have a chance to go to the spa can come to you. Now I'm just gonna let this dry. The whole point of, you know, treating yourself like this is that, you know, you should have the time to relax. So if you're gonna do this, make sure you have the time, make sure you're willing to give this to yourself. It's like a nice, beautiful gift to yourself. Okay, beauties, so as you can see, I'm out of the shower. I've washed off the aloe and egg slime that I had all over my face and my décolleté. I've also rinsed off the scalp treatment that I had. Now, normally, as soon as I get out of the shower, I always put on my rose water as a toner. Now, this time I waited because I wanted to make sure that I wouldn't forget to show it to you guys, because it's something that is so good for your skin. It works with all skin types. It's good for sensitive skin, dry skin, you name it. And you can buy it on Amazon, you can buy it at Whole Foods or any natural food store. So if you guys are curious, try it out. It's really good for your skin. You'll absolutely love it. And one other thing that I wanted to mention to you guys was that it had been a while since I had done the cinnamon scalp treatment in my hair, so I had forgotten that when you're rinsing it off, your whole shower smells like cinnamon. So it's like an extra, you know, aromatherapy benefit that you're gonna get that I think you guys will really enjoy. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed seeing my head wrapped in saran wrap. I hope you get up and that you treat yourself to spa day because you deserve it. I hope you try these slimes to detoxify your scalp and nourish your skin. Bye, beauties. Love you. Today, I wasn't supposed to film today, and yet here I am. This morning, my daughter got up and she was making this ginormous amount of slime. And so I started playing with her. We started putting our fingers in it and pulling on it and just, you know, having fun with it. When all of a sudden I got the idea. You have healthy hair. You're just so fluffy. What do you use? What's your slime? Is it just cuteness slime? I think it's just cuteness slime. Say bye. Bye. Love you, beauties. Bye.